Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into Inkscape to master the art of using guides for precision design work. Whether you are creating technical layouts, vector illustrations, or just need perfect alignment, guides are your best friend. If this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let us get started. First, we need to ensure your workspace is set up correctly. If you do not see the rulers on the top and left side of your canvas, press Ctrl+R on your keyboard to toggle them on. This is essential because these rulers are the source of your guides. To add a standard horizontal guide, simply click and hold your mouse on the top horizontal ruler and drag it downward onto your canvas. Similarly, for a vertical guide, click and hold on the left ruler and drag it out toward the right. It's that simple. Now, if you need a diagonal guide, click and hold directly in the corner where the two rulers meet in the top left, then drag diagonally out onto your workspace. Sometimes you need exact precision rather than eyeballing it. You can place guides at specific numeric coordinates by double-clicking any existing guideline. This opens the guide dialog box where you can type in exact X or Y values and hit OK to set them perfectly in place. Another pro tip is converting existing objects into guides. Select any shape or path with the Select and Transform tool, or S on your keyboard. Then press Shift+G. This command turns the outlines of your shape into custom guidelines, giving you limitless possibilities for complex layouts. Once your guides are set, you might need to manage them. To move a guide, just use your Selection tool. Hover over the guide until it turns red and drag it to a new location. To delete a guide, you can either hover until it turns red and press the Delete key, or just drag it back into the ruler it originated from. To protect your work from accidental changes, you should lock your guides. Use the Layers and Objects panel by pressing Ctrl+Shift+L and clicking the lock icon, or visit your document properties with Ctrl+Shift+D. Finally, for the best results, make sure to enable the Snap to Guides feature in the snapping toolbar on the top right of your screen. This creates a magnetic effect that snaps your objects to the guides for flawless alignment. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to vector software. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more professional tips. Thanks for watching.